¿Vale?
A la caja.
And the pinkity dinkity.
Yeah. Let me use it.
La caja?
Yeah, I already got it. I saw it. Where should I hit?
G45.
What do you want it, dude? Headshot?
Um,
Or
which target? On the black one?
on
On the
one?
black target?
What, hit the X? Or what?
Yeah, X. On the,
Try to?
yeah. Get him, he's running away. Oh, right, in the left. Same upper body. That was right next to the second shot. I don't know where that shit went. That one went left. 7. Oh. That one went 9. Upper. That went so. That went next to 9. That went 8. That went below. That went X. Whoa, next to it.
Right under, right?
Huh?
Right.
You didn't see it? Look.
Last shot. That was my last shot. A ver, ahí te va otra.
The pinkity dinkity.
5.
Black target?
Yeah, X. A ver si puedo otra vez.
La X. What happened? What's going on? Pinkity dinkity.
Ahí va,
I don't know where that went. That went under 8. That went right on 8. On the left. Didn't see that. You done?
Hasta rato.
The range.
Oh. Yeah, like a little cheaper ride from there.
With a 40. Nada. 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 Oh, which I hit at?
Shoot the black one. Huh?
Hit the X. That's top left shoulder. Still top left. That's right shoulder. Alright, dale.
Sí, ¿verdad?
Do it again?
Y la otra vez, mira.
Nothing.
¿Nada?
Nada. 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 Mira, raza, qué perro. Mira qué perro, güey. Mira, güey.
Headshotters.
What is headshots? You got proof?